Welcome, everybody! Tired of ordinary gadgets? Get ready to discover some game-changing Amazon finds that will upgrade your everyday life. From the sleek Instant Pot Pro 8-quart that turns cooking into a breeze, to the ultra-efficient Medify MA112 air purifier that keeps your home fresh and clean. And if you love chill treats, wait till you see the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. Dessert made easy. Stay tuned till the end for all 15 amazing gadgets. And don't forget to drop your favorite in the comments below. Tired of breathing in smoke, dust, or pet dander? Meet the Medify MA112, a powerhouse air purifier with a true HEPA H13 filter that removes particles as small as 0.1 microns. It cleans up to 2,640 square feet in just 1 hour, making it perfect for homes battling wildfires, odors, or seasonal allergies. Breathe clean. Live better. With Medify MA112. Want to cook smarter, not harder? The Instant Pot Pro 8-quart is your 10-in-1 kitchen hero. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make yogurt, even try sous vide, all in one sleek machine. With over 800 recipes on the app, it turns beginners into chefs. Save time, save space. Cook like a pro with the Instant Pot Pro. Craving the perfect slushie, smoothie, or frozen cocktail at home? Meet the all-in-one slushie machine. No ice needed, no mess, just pure chilled magic. With 6 smart presets, you can whip up everything from frozen margaritas and frappes to creamy milkshakes and even ice cream. It shows real-time temperature, auto-cleans itself, and brings the party home. Anytime. All year round. Turn your kitchen into a summer paradise with the ultimate slushie machine. Tired of messy kitchen sinks and soggy sponges? The Cisily Black Sponge Holder is your sleek solution. Built with rust-proof 304 stainless steel for long-lasting durability. It keeps your sponge, scrubber, brush, and even soap dispenser neatly organized, all in one compact space. With a high brush holder and non-slip base, it's perfect for any modern kitchen. Declutter your countertop and upgrade your sink space with the Cisily Sink Caddy Organizer. Slice like a pro with the HUNTER.DUAL 15-piece knife set. Your all-in-one kitchen companion. Each knife is crafted for precision and power, and the built-in self-sharpening block keeps them razor-sharp with every use. From chopping veggies to carving meat, these knives do it all. And they're dishwasher-safe, too. The anti-slip handles offer a secure grip, while the sleek black design adds style to your kitchen. Cut smarter. Cook faster. With the HUNTER.DUAL knife set. Craving ice cream at midnight? No problem. The Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker lets you create soft-serve ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in minutes. Right at home. It comes with 2 bowls, a built-in ingredient chute for toppings, and it's super easy to clean and store. Perfect for quick cravings, family fun, or summer treats. Anytime, anywhere. Scoop, swirl, and smile with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. Your personal dessert station. Need ice fast? The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker delivers 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. Perfect for home, camping, or your RV. It's compact, portable, and comes with a carry handle, making cool moments easy anywhere you go. With self-cleaning, a built-in basket, and scoop included, it's effortless to use and clean. Produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day. No more last-minute ice runs. Stay cool, stay ready with the Silonn Ice Maker. Tired of eggs rolling around in your fridge? The auto-rolling egg organizer is the perfect fix. With its smart gravity-fed design, eggs roll forward automatically. No need to reach in or rearrange. It saves space, keeps your fridge neat, and comes with a secure lid for stacking. This 2-pack set holds plenty of eggs and fits perfectly on any shelf. Clean, compact, and convenient. Upgrade your fridge with the auto-rolling egg organizer today. Want to keep your food fresh for longer? The upgraded fully automatic mason jar vacuum sealer makes it easy. Just place it on your jar, press a button, and it seals airtight in seconds. Compatible with both wide and regular mouth jars, it's perfect for canning, dry storage, and preserving freshness. No manual pumping, no mess, just effortless sealing every time. Upgrade your pantry with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Fresh made simple. Cook with confidence using the 1-second instant read meat thermometer. Accuracy that hits plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting, get lightning-fast readings with a bright LED screen that auto-rotates. It's waterproof, turns on automatically, and shuts off when you're done. No fuss, just perfect results. A must-have kitchen gadget for every chef and BBQ lover. Nail the temperature every time with this smart digital meat thermometer. Looking to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere at home? Check out this 2-pack essential oil diffusers. Each diffuser holds 200 milliliters, runs quietly at just 20 decibels, and works up to 10 hours. Choose from 4 timer settings and enjoy 7 beautiful nightlight colors that set the perfect mood. Plus, it features automatic shut-off for safety. Perfect for aromatherapy lovers who want peace and style in one. Transform your living room or bedroom with the Zentavio Area Rug. This 4x6 feet, fluffy, furry shag rug adds a cozy and plush feel to any space. Its high pile and soft texture make it perfect for nurseries and kids' rooms too. The elegant gray color brings an aesthetic touch that complements any decor while providing ultimate comfort underfoot. Upgrade your home with style and softness today. Stay cool anywhere with the Koonie USB Fan. This compact desk fan delivers strong, ultra-quiet wind with 3 adjustable speeds. Its 220-degree tilt and foldable design let you direct airflow exactly where you need it. Powered by a convenient USB-C cord, it's perfect for your home or office desk. Lightweight, stylish, and super easy to use. Beat the heat with Koonie. Say goodbye to bulky dryers and hello to smart drying. This tripod clothes drying rack comes with 16 expandable aluminum rods, perfect for drying a full load of clothes in one go. Lightweight, foldable, and super easy to set up anywhere. Whether it's your balcony, bedroom, laundry room, or even a camping trip. It saves space, dries fast, and makes your life easier. Check the link in the description and grab yours now. Tired of messy spice cabinets? The SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer is your perfect kitchen companion. It comes with 28 sleek spice jars, 386 easy-to-read labels, a chalk marker, and a funnel set for effortless refills. Whether you're mounting it on the wall, door, or placing it on a countertop or pantry, it adds instant style and order. With a compact 13.4-inch width, it fits almost anywhere. Tap the link in the description and upgrade your spice game today.